Hey, my friends, welcome back again. And today's session going to be very important. And my name is Shakir Ali Rajput. I help IBs to earn five-figure income every single month. So, as you guys are following me a couple of weeks in these live streamings, so I'm the founder of world first IB development program. And now onward, we are going to introduce you with our partners, how IBs can get benefit from our partners and that they help in their success. So today, with me, my good friend Ilyas from TVA Academy in the fastest growing forex education academy in Asia. So let's warm welcome Ilyas.
All right, hello everybody. Hello. How are you guys? Hello, Shakir. Thank you so much for
Hi.
inviting me to your show, Shakir. Really a
Oh,
pleasure to be here.
you're welcome. Thank you so very much joining us today. And yes, definitely today we are going to have a very interesting conversation, and all
Mhm.
our IB is going to learn from you. And could you please tell us about the mission behind TVA Academy?
Sure. All right. So my name is Ilyas, and I am from TVA Academy, and I'm working as a TVA educator. Now I'm also a trader as well for this academy. And without further ado, right, what do we do? What is our vision and mission for this academy? So when we talk about our vision, is normally it is we are trying to be a premier institution for digital currency trading education platform. And not only just that, our mission is to make sure that we empower traders with comprehensive education and cutting edge tools. So this means that by offering you guys the full full 8-week course program, which we have already catered to your audience or to you to learn how to trade. So
Perfect. So here I just want to add something very interesting, special for guys who are already joined the IB development program. This TVA education is 100% free for IB development program, our IB fellow partners. And
yes.
that's how they can get benefit from it. And they educate their traders. So they will go learn from TV Academy, Ilyas and his team. And then they will do the trading like a pro. So Ilyas, what you say about it?
I would say we try to empower traders and we try to make sure that they get a full understanding in reading the markets, and not only just that, but as well as understanding your risk and reward ratio when you're looking at the market. So it's not always just trying to flip an account, right?
Very nice, very nice. Exactly. This is what makes difference a successful trader and people who are losing in the market. So that's amazing. What is your best risk management strategy, risk to reward?
I think honestly speaking, it's better to go with the basics of mostly when we're looking at risk and reward, it's better to just target 1 to 2 risk and reward basics, risk and reward management. So because when we get to manage our risk, we also get to maximize our profits. It's in a sense where you need to understand if you're able to swing your position, then by all means swing your position. But if you can't, you have to learn when to take your profit.
Perfect, perfect. So, Ilyas, how people can manage their day-to-day trade? Could you please give us some tips regarding uh, how many trades they should do, how they, know about
It
setups, when to trade, when to exit. These are basic things. What I noticed people making mistakes every single day.
Yeah. So basically, if let's say we're talking about trying to look at the markets, right? So let me share my screen first, right? Is that okay? So
Yeah.
For example, let me share my screen. Okay. All right. So, if let's say when we are looking at the market structure like this, how do we want to minimize our risk and how do we want to plan our risk, right? So, for example, when we look at this market structure, we have here is a lower low, right? And we know that the previous structure is also going in downtrend, and this is where we have our previous structure of lower high. But notice how between this market structure here, we see that the price is ranging. So this is where we get to see that the market structure is giving us a sideway momentum, right? Now, what does TVA do? TVA does this is where we teach you how to apply the Fibonacci retracement. And with this Fibonacci retracement is how we are going to be able to identify our sideway motion. So, for example, when I pull out my Fibonacci like this, and this Fibonacci allows us to understand where is our retracement movement. And not only just that, it also gives us the perfect sequence to when we need to look at the zones. It's not just looking at, oh, okay, we see that at the bottom of a certain candle or bottom of a certain candlestick pattern, and we leverage our account like that. No, with TVA, this is where we learn how to apply our support and resistance, right? And this is where we have our mid pivot area and as well as our resistance. Now, since we've already identified where the support and resistance level is in the market structure between this lower low and this lower high, notice how you see that you have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here, and see how that when the price comes into this trading range, the price itself respects the support area and then forms a bullish reversal candle and followed by a momentum candle. Now, if let's say we want to trade as well in this area, this is where we will be placing our entry here and as well as our stop loss at the previous structure. Now, to look for a profit, normally I would recommend to look at the nearest market structure. Now, see, this is where we get to have our risk at 3 to 77. Okay, I didn't change the risk and reward settings, but if you guys understand this, this is where, how, and why for what we teach at TVA. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. This is how, what, and what we do as well at TVA, and this is what we will teach to everybody to would like to learn how to trade. And this is where I believe that we are going to be able to support our IBs, and for those who like to also learn, for those who actually would like to dive into the forex industry or the trading industry. So back to you, Shakir. What do you think?
Yeah, I missed your call. Who's this? Yeah. Hi.
Thank you very much, Hazik. Yeah, that's wonderful. Amazing, actually. I know about a few more things you guys did every single day in our TVA Discord group. So tell our IPs about it. What activities you are doing there and how they can
Shakir, how about
get
this?
benefit
I
from it.
do have a presentation. How about you let me show the presentation?
Sure, sure.
Okay. So everybody, now let's talk about TVA. Now, TVA is a digital currency trading education platform, right? So when we are a digital trading currency education platform, this is where we want to empower people and we want to empower traders with the right tools and the right education whenever it comes for them to learn about trading. So it's not about always making the most money in a single trade or whatsoever. It's about making the right trades. So with this, we also have students right? We also have students around the world, and this is where students around the world join us for our education, and they also join through our academy. So this is where we get real traders and real structure at TVA. We don't just teach hype, we also teach skills. So in TVA is where you will go through an 8-week intensive trading program where we guide you through market structure and trend analysis, reversal patterns, trend lines, and support and resistance. We'll also teach you a little bit as well about Fibonacci and basic Elliott wave integration, and understand how it is to have a real setup when we also do the mappings together. So remember, these real setups are also mapped by real traders, and it's not only just theories. Okay, so in this comprehensive syllabus is where you will get to learn all the programs that was mentioned before, and this is the people that you will meet in the team. Now we have our Sir Haziq, and we have also our, there's me, there's also Martin, who is also our TVA admin. So these are the people who will also come and help you out in our education platform. Now, we also do give you real life signals, daily trade signals, and live trade. Okay. So this is where you get to join us on our journey together and trade together. And this is where I believe IBs can also share out the mappings and the setups that are already shared in the group, and you can also share it together with your clients. So this is one of the pictures that you see, that we have our daily live trades, and this is where we go live together with all our clients. So it's not just
Perfect.
classes, it's a full trading ecosystem inside TBA. This is where, with daily trade signals, live trading sessions, this is where you get to watch and learn as we trade in real time. And not only just that, we also do offer weekly market insights. So this is where we'll give you market insights on
Here, I
the,
just want to add something, Ilyas. Most
yes,
IB thinks their job is just referral or getting rebates. But in today's competitive market, the real growth comes from when you can also support and guide your clients. So
yes,
get benefit
yeah,
from it. What Hazik and Ilyas is doing in TVA, and your job is just to understand, first learn and understand, then just educate your clients, and everything available there for free, special for
yes,
our programs. Yeah,
yes. This is why, because we are here. Like I would say, our mission is to empower traders. You know,
exactly.
so we,
TVA gives you all the helps, gives you simple videos, mappings, and in Discord group we share the topics, and that if you will share with your clients, that build the trust, which is very important in our business.
exactly, because remember, we've all gone through a lot of scams, and we all hear all these money games here and there. Now with TVA, this is where we want to do the right thing. So this is why we offer all our clients all this 8-week training program. We also offer them fundamentals insights. So we want them to make sure that when you go and try to meet any other traders, you are well equipped with the knowledge that TVA has already offered.
Exactly, exactly. And these partnerships help you, succeed every single day. And you will have the access to the, market recaps, news breakdowns, and the trading tips, all
Yeah,
designed to help and educate you and your clients. So this
yes,
collaboration with the TVA brings real value in our IB development program. And the most and exciting, thing is that there is no extra cost. You just
exactly,
need to, empower your clients and retain them. And we are
exactly.
your good partner in this business.
Hmm.
Yes, yeah,
We are more than happy to be we are more than happy to be a retention place where you get to have your clients to come to us and ask us more about how to trade. And this is where we include everything that we are offering, like what Shakir has mentioned. And not only just that, we also offer, right, free Elliott wave mapping, And this LOF mapping is paid, yeah, guys. And this is worth at least $1,000 annually. It may not sound
Great.
much, but the thing is, rather than you paying it yourself, why not you have an education platform that actually is already offering it to you, right, for free? And this is where you get to access the TVA's private analysis tools, where we do daily morning breakdown and also our scheduled London live trading sessions. Now, for our London live trading sessions, this is where we will do it on our YouTube platform. It is called The Vela Academy, and we will go live every Monday to Thursday during the London session. So wherever you are in the world, during the London session is where you would want to be watching our YouTube channel. This is also something you can also share it together with your clients. If let's say they are looking for daily mappings that they don't understand, or they are looking for things to have a much more clarity, where they have the chance to talk to talk to our Sir Haziq or talk to me for your trading ideologies. All right, Shakir?
Exactly. So, to all IBs who are watching this session, this is your edge, my friends. The ability to grow not just through sales, but by leading with education. So, TVA Academy, I am really thankful to you guys for with the partners as a partner with us, joining us and growing with us together. So it's amazing opportunity for everyone who is watching now.
We are more than happy to be with you, Shakir, and thank you so much for the opportunities. As we grow, you grow and you learn, and that's what we want.
Exactly,
That's what we want.
exactly,
You
exactly.
know. So when we talk about TVA and how it works, right? So this is normally like what our typical week will look like our in our weekly daily life lah, I would say. So on Monday is where you will get the weekly fundamental insights, and every day is where you get your morning breakdown video. Then Monday to Thursday is where you get your London live trading session, and normally we would try to have our live trading session every day. But if there are no setups, we do not force a setup. But if there are setups, we will try to include our clients together with us. But this does not necessarily mean that we force them to enter. No, okay? We will explain as to why we want to enter in this area. So this is how we get to gather our clients together to come and watch and learn together as how we trade.
Ah, great. Please continue.
Okay. So now when we talk about, when we talk about live trading, this is where normally our traders have already secured 1,000 pips in major pairs like gold, Euro JPY, and then we've also graduated through 6 full batches of people, right? So with this, what we're trying to say is that we've had people who've joined us from across Malaysia, Singapore, Dubai, and even Africa. Now, when we look at this, right, this is where we try to look at the bigger picture. It is more than a class, it's a movement that we are trying to build together in this community. So you've heard the systems, you've seen the results. Now let me tell you why we are at TVA and why we created TVA. So most traders stay stuck because they never properly train. They were never properly trained. They were chasing signals, lost in the noise, and lacking real confidence. Now, this is why we create TVAs, because we want to create a clear, real, structured roadmap to build 100 millionaires from this platform. And not just with that, with knowledge as well, and with action, competition, guidance, and a community. So don't wait for luck. We train for skills, we build for traders. uh,
Amazing.
So I hope you guys manage to gain a few insights from it. And as well as, don't be afraid to come and collab with us with TVA, because we are more than happy to be your education arm for your trading partners.
Perfect. So that's it, or you have more for us?
Oh no,
Yeah.
that's it, Shakir. That's all, Shakir. That's all from me. And I hope
Okay.
you guys
Okay, thank you so very much. And okay, give us, you know, your final words and which helps people to, decide where to start.
Okay, so my final words, right? Um, ask questions on when to join our next intake. Or simply follow our
Okay,
updates. You know, if you want to join
okay,
our next intakes, don't forget to ask Shakir when to join the next intakes. And as well as if you are looking for a place to start, TVA is where you would want to be for your beginning journey in trading.
exactly. Amazing. Guys, this is a very good opportunity for everyone who is watching or who have a team of IBs. Collaborate with us, and we will provide you everything you need to be successful and earn five-figure income every single month. Let's grow together. Thank you very
Yeah,
much, Riyaz, for joining us today, and
no worries, Shakir, no
hopefully we
worries.
will invite you. Uh, Maybe next week again. So you will add more value and give us a live session and educate our audience so how they
Hopefully,
can,
hopefully, we'll
you
see how.
know,
Yeah, we'll see how.
start successful
But
week.
before I go, let's take a picture.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Shakir.
Thank
See
you
you
so
guys
very much,
next
guys.
time. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon or good evening or good night.